Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about what AI testing really means in 2026 and why traditional pass-fail QA no longer works. For decades, software testing relied on fixed logic and predictable behavior. That contract is gone. Modern AI systems assemble behavior at runtime. You're no longer testing code paths, you're testing decisions. Classic QA assumed determinism. Same input, same output. AI systems break that assumption by design. Different runs can produce different but still valid results. So the question isn't, did this pass? It's, did the system stay within acceptable boundaries over time? AI testing becomes statistical, not binary. You measure drift, consistency, and control. AI systems don't just respond, they act. They route work, trigger tools, approve actions, and affect real systems. Failures don't look like crashes, they look like reasonable decisions with bad outcomes. AI testing exists to catch those failures before they compound. The model itself is rarely the issue. The real risk comes from behavior across time and context. Output drift, even when nothing changed. Action chains where small decisions cascade adversarial inputs that push systems off course. Testing means simulation and repetition, not snapshots. Single test cases stop working when outputs vary. Evaluation systems replace them. You run real inputs repeatedly and compare behavior over time. This turns gut feelings into measurable signals. No one expects flawless AI. What matters is bounded behavior, visible drift, and recoverable failures. That's what modern AI testing is designed to deliver. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more on AI systems and testing, and see you in the next one.